What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. One more video that I have for you guys here today that I wanted to release yesterday, but because of the technical difficulties, I didn't end up releasing it. But I wanted to talk about some of my biggest missed opportunities because I think there's people that believe that I've had no missed opportunities, but honestly, I have. I've had a ton of missed opportunities in this crypto market, and honestly, in investing in general. But when it comes to crypto, I want to explain what those missed opportunities are. So in this video, we're going to go through three of those missed opportunities. One, I believe, as the biggest missed opportunity, especially as of now, where we look at the market cap compared to where it was. So before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for Margex, my link for Patreon, my link for Twitter. If you guys want to get any of these cryptocurrencies here at a 5 to even up to a 50x leverage on some of them, you can do that with Margex. Feel free to click that link, sign up, start trading today. You can trade with as little as $1. You can start with 20 cents and 5x that to $1 to trade with that. That's how you don't have any real minimums to trade on that platform, and the fees are very low. So feel free to check it out. Give yourself some room to play around with. Don't go and invest $1,000 right from the start. Give yourself some room so that you can find a way to be successful and build a full portfolio on that platform. But I want to take you through my largest missed opportunities. Everybody has them. Everybody says the same words. I wish I would have invested into this maybe when someone told me. I wish I would have invested into this when I saw it a while ago. Or I wish I would have just put some money into this cryptocurrency at that level. There's so many different variations of the shoulda, coulda, wouldas, and I wish that this would happen. And I want to bring you some of those for me. Do I harp on the fact that I don't have as much as I wanted to have or any of those positions? No. I don't get upset with the fact that I don't have any of them or I don't have enough of it. I just want to explain to you guys that everybody has them and you just got to get over it and move on to the next thing. Or you can find the right buying opportunities to get in for what you believe in the long term. So, guys, let's go ahead and check out the first one. I think honestly is a very, very big one that a bunch of people missed out on as well, which was Bonk. Bonk is a play that built on Solana. You know that it was a fix to a larger issue that was going on with Solana and kind of helping that helping creators, helping builders really survive within there. So, and Solana in general surviving. There was a lot of money that was injected into the Solana chain. There was a lot of activity that happened here, and it honestly made Bonk a household name. Then came the kind of the push for more Ethereum or more Solana assets, more meme coins to be created on Solana, and it seemed like Bonk was going to be the overlord, the leader of that. And that's where everything kind of hit a whole nother level. If we go back a year and we look at where this position was, it was all the way down here to this lower level where we saw it at a $10 million market cap. This is a huge missed opportunity. One of my largest because I seen it here. I reviewed it multiple times. I talked about it. I said that sure, it would make sense for me to put $1,000 in there. I have $1,000. Why don't I do that and put it into this meme coin play for a short-term outcome? Didn't end up doing it, and literally, it was like a day, like when it was at 9 million or something like that. It was like a day before it started to run. It picked up, really started to move, and I was like, crap. Like I missed an opportunity from it going from 10 million or 9 million or whatever to a level of 90 million. Literally a 10x within that short period of time from the end of October to the beginning of November. And then you see the growth from there. And I missed out on not only just a 10x to $100 million, but a 100x to a $1 billion mark, or even 200 or almost 300x to a $2.7 billion mark. Like, this is what you miss out on. So obviously I missed out on it a lot. I could have put so much money into there. I could have had $300,000 just from that move alone. Huge missed opportunity. I think honestly, one of the biggest, if not the biggest, missed opportunity, with the fact that I knew I was going to throw like $1,000 in there at that time, because I had a bunch of conversations about it. Because before then, you saw the constant conversation around Bonk and whether it will have any type of an impact, and kind of living up that same trend as what you saw with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, the kind of flat trend and people talking about it, the popularity. And I was like, okay, it looks like it's popular, it just hasn't moved yet. And it moved a day later. Crazy. And that was a huge missed opportunity. And the only reason I waited a day later is because I had more inflow of cash. When I already had cash in my bank account, I just wanted to see that be replaced. You know what I mean? Like, I wanted to put that there and replace it at the same time. And if I would have just taken it and replaced it later, I would be up maybe $300,000, or I probably would have taken it somewhere around a billion or 1.5 or something, and I would have had $100,000. Still would have been a massive gain for $1,000 investment. I'm sure you would take that any day of the week. But another play that I missed out on is the next one, which is Pepe. I saw Pepe before it even blew up. A lot of people brought it to my attention. I also seen it when it came back down from a $1 billion market cap down to like a $200 or $300 million market cap. And now it's sitting at a $3.4 billion market cap. And the high point that it got to was about a $7 billion market cap. So you're missing out on something that was at hundreds of thousands of dollars or hundreds of millions of dollars, now at $7 billion. Huge missed opportunity. I didn't have a set amount that I wanted to invest there, but I knew I wanted to buy more and more, but I missed that opportunity. So now I only hold $382 worth, because I decided to kind of throw the bare minimum here rather than throw a little bit more, even though I talked about how it's going to go to a $40 billion market cap during that time. So missed opportunity number two. Now missed opportunity number three, not as big as what you've seen with the other two, but definitely I believe it's going to be the largest missed opportunity. Now I do have Kaspa. I don't know why it's not showing up here, but I do have Kaspa. I have about 10,000 Kaspa, and it's worth about $1,600. And as this goes up to $1, it'll be worth $10,000, $2, be worth $20,000, and so on and so forth. But it's a huge missed opportunity because I, again, was going to buy it at a certain level. When it came back to those levels, everything told me that it was going to come back down to this level. It was maybe a few, tenths of a percent off, or tenths of a cent off, and I decided not to buy it because it wasn't at that low level yet. Even though it wasn't a leverage trade, it wasn't something that was going to expire on me. It was just something that I wanted to gather just a little bit more, and because of that greed, it took me out of it and not owning as much as I wanted to own. So that's okay. Everybody makes these mistakes. You have to understand that these mistakes happen, but it's realizing those mistakes, learning from those mistakes, and then doing something right the next time. That's the thing that you want to be confident in. That's why I decided to make that move into Jasmy Coin, because of the missed opportunities that you see there, right? That's why I decided to make these moves into plays that I feel like, yes, aren't at the lowest price possible, but still are at a good price that will benefit me in the end. So I want to know what you guys think. What are your missed opportunities? Have you missed out on any of these? Did you know that some of these had this large of a push? Did you miss out on ApeCoin? Because that was a big push that ended up going to like $30 from the starting point. Did you miss out on Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, whatever? Let me know in the comment section below. But guys, if you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to trade Bonk and Pepe, you can trade at a 25x leverage on Margex if you use my link in the description. You can also trade Kaspa at a 50x leverage, I believe it's 50, if you use my link down in the description for that platform. Feel free to check it out if you guys are interested. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.